Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we make the world more illustrated. If I haven't already introduced myself, I'm Stuart. I am the creator of Magic Bee Illustrations. And I'm a little bit weird, which is good in this world. So today's going to be a little bit different. I am going to be prepping for Inktober. It's a scary thought, I've never done it before. So basically, there was a guy called Jake Parks who created it in 2009 to help him develop his skills with inking and positive creating vibes. And basically it took off, and now every year artists and illustrators take the challenge basically. So that's what I'm going to be doing this year. If you want to follow my process, I will be doing a video every day showing you my process of my drawing for the day and the themes. I'll put the little themes up now actually for you so you can see what it is every day. Basically we get like a little challenge. So for example, something that will prompt me for my drawing. So the first day is fish. So that will be the first video basically. So on and so forth. Some of them are really hard actually, I don't know what I'm going to do for some of them, but the word is inspiration basic. So in my preparation for Inktober, I had to go to Hobbycraft, because as much as my husband loves me spending money, I needed some more stuff to start my Inktober, basically. Here is my haul from Hobbycraft. So, what did I get? How exciting. So I had to get some, so everyone has a theme basically, so it's normally black and white, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. I love yellow, so I was going to do black, white and yellow basically. So I had to get some yellow ink. So that's my yellow ink. It's a very nice one actually, it's really bright, isn't it? Then I had to get a little palette, the ink and the water to make it so it's not, make it a bit more diluted. I had to get some brushes. Don't know where the one's gone. I had to get some brushes. So I got some, this one is a gradient round brush, number 6. And then this one is this is 0 apparently. Sable round. So it's a very thin one. If you can see that. Yeah, a very thin one there. And then I got myself a little pad. A little sketch pad. So a little plain, something that would hold the ink so it doesn't bleed everywhere. And it's just plain. It's easy for me to open, and it's a really nice thick paper as well. It's 220 GSM, which is fairly thick actually for paper, so that's really good. But I already had some stuff because I'm a bit obsessed with buying stuff. So I already had some black ink. So if you can see that, there you go. Some black ink. I already had a little bit of yellow, but it was the canary yellow. Oh, I don't know where I'm going with that. There you go. And I've already had some blue. I might add some blue into it, you know. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Then I had all my sketchy pens. So this is basically what I'll be using. So I use like some of my pencils, a rubber, sharpener, and then all these pens. They're all different thicknesses. So I've got 005, I've got small, bold, medium, I've got a white, I've got some brush pens, like Japanese brush pens. So I thought I'd use those as well. Got some fine liners in here. That go all the way down to 0.1. So it's very thin. I'll show you actually. So 0.1, look how thin that is. Very, very thin. So it should help me get some fine line drawings. So yeah, I already had it, and I did need some brushes. Promise. So yeah, that's my haul basically from Hobbycraft and what I already had. So this is what I'll be using to do my Inktober, basically. Do you notice my t-shirt, by the way? Do you like it? It's ones I made in my last video. Go check it out if you haven't already. So there you go, guys. I know it's been a bit of a random video today, but I just wanted to explain to you what I'll be doing. So we won't be doing a lot of studio vlogs this month. I'm going to be doing lots more of the Inktober to challenge myself with my creativeness, if that's even a word. I'm using my hands a lot today. I'm so sorry, I can't help it. It's just the way I am. So if you haven't already subscribed, press subscribe and the bell for notifications, for more videos. If you haven't already checked out my Etsy store, here it is. Please check it out. The link is in the bio below. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram. I'll also be doing using my Instagram a lot more at the minute because I haven't been using it and I actually like Instagram. It's good for illustrations. So I will be also posting my pictures that I do every day on Instagram. It's going to be such a challenge for me, guys, because I need to get my organisation on. But yeah, so there you go, guys. That's my video done for now. You won't see me in the next couple of videos. You'll just see my hands probably, me and my process. But if you need me, leave a comment below. And I'll see you all soon. I love you lots. Take care. Bye.